Hello and welcome. Choosing the right mutual fund can feel like navigating a maze. With thousands of options available, it is essential to understand your own financial goals first. Are you saving for retirement, a house deposit, or your children's education? Your timeline and tolerance for risk will dictate the type of fund that suits you best. A clear objective is the foundation of any sound investment strategy. Once you know your goal, it is time to examine the fund's details. Look closely at the ongoing charges figure, or OCF. Even a small difference in fees can significantly impact your returns over time due to the magic of compounding. Also, review the fund manager's track record and the historical performance. Remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but it provides valuable context. Finally, consider diversification. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. A well-balanced mutual fund will spread your investment across various assets and regions, reducing the impact of market volatility. Check the fund's holdings to ensure it matches your desired level of exposure. If you are unsure, consulting a qualified financial advisor can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific situation. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.